through cell phones, computers, and music systems. In vehicles, stadiums, stores, and our homes, the world pulses with vibrant sound. And behind that sound, within the speakers and between the parts, is Hernon Adhesives. Hernon started making adhesives in 1978, and today, many of the world's largest manufacturers use Hernon adhesives to deliver supreme quality and a premium sound experience. Hernon products are trusted, not because of our thousands of adhesive formulas or dozens of high-precision dispensing systems. It's because Hernon adhesives and dispensing systems are reliable, quickly producing permanent bonds for a variety of substrates, including most metals and plastics, such as polypropylene membranes and carbon fiber composites. Speakers are subject to continuous vibrations, which demand tough and resilient adhesives. That's why manufacturers rely upon Hernon products, because they never let go. Hernon's products are diverse and innovative. Heat-resistant products like Voice Coil Bonder 360 extend the lifespan of high-intensity speakers and allow higher peak capacity. While structural adhesives secure magnets and pull pieces, modified cyanoacrylates are used to secure spiders, cones, and gaskets. To maintain high-speed production, the already fast cure speed of CA adhesives is further enhanced with activators and accelerators. Hernon developed both adhesive formulas and precise dispensing equipment, providing a total solution to modernize and enhance speaker production and ensure a small environmental footprint. From portable earbuds to robust loudspeakers, Hernon's unique formulas meet specified stress, vibration, and environmental requirements on a wide range of speakers. Hernon's customers deliver exceptional sound, powerful vocals, a deep, rich bass, and soaring detailed highs. And they trust Hernon to help with precise dispensing systems and the highest quality adhesives. Speaker assembly solutions from Hernon.